Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we will talk about metrics. We will talk about what is metrics, why do we need them, and how they works. Metrics in distributed systems refers to a quantitative data points or measurements that provide insights into various aspects of systems performance, behavior, and resource utilization. These metrics are essential for monitoring and optimizing the system's operation. So let's talk about, so right now we know metrics are quantitative data points or measurements that provide some insights into various aspects of the service of the system. Okay, so why do we need this? What we get from this? Sorry, why we need this? Why we get this from this? So let's assume that we have like a distributed system. Okay, let's call it DB for DS. Sorry, DS. Let's make it white and short for distributed system. And this distributed system is connected with a matrix to, and the matrix, as we said, it just a quantitative data points or measurements that provide insights into various aspects of the system's performance, behavior, and the resource utilization. So what we get from knowing this information and about our system. So let's just try to know that. So let's have, oh, this is too big. The first thing that we got, we would call a performance monitoring. Oh, no. Let me just drag this down like that. So Matrix helps track the performance of individual components and the overall system. They provide visibility into response times, throughput, latency, and resource utilization, enabling teams to detect and address performance bottleneck. And number two, which is the resource utilization. So Matrix measure the consumption of system resources like CPU, memory, disk space, and network bandwidth. Monitoring resource utilization ensures efficient resource allocation and also prevent resource exhaustion. The other thing that we get from using monitoring is that we can do some capacity planning, because metrics data is used to forecast future resources needs by analyzing historical trends. Teams can make informed decisions about scaling up or down to meet changing demands, because the numbers or the matrix that coming from it help us to decide that should we scale up or should we scale down. Also, it helps in fault detection. So anomalies and deviations from expected metric values can indicate system faults or errors. Automated alerting based on a predefined threshold can help teams detect and respond to issues promptly. We can have, lastly, we could talk about security and anomaly detection. So metrics can be used to monitor security related events such as unauthorized access attempts or unusual patterns or behavior, aiding in the detection of security breaches. So this is why we need metrics, and this is one of the few things about why we need metrics. And in terms of system design interviews, you don't need to know more than that. It's great to just do these 5 things. And yeah, so let's talk about let's talk about some bonuses about how metrics work. I would say you don't have no you don't yeah, you don't have to know how metrics work in details, but it's nice for you to know how they work, so you understand a little bit how this matrix works and how the matrix services work. So the first thing that we come with, the first step, which is we call data collection. So metrics are collected from various sources within the distributed system. These sources include application code, operating systems, databases, network devices, and external services. Metrics can be generated by instrumentation in the code, or collected from system level metrics provided by the underlying infrastructure. Um, the second step, what we call aggregation. So after we collect metrics, sorry, I'm still ill. So collect metrics are aggregated over time intervals to create time series data. Aggregation may involve calculating average sums, percentages, or other statistical measures. And number three, it's the storage. So aggregated metrics data is typically stored in a time series database or data store optimized for efficient retrieval and analysis. These databases are designed to handle large volumes of time series data with low latency. And number four, which will be the visualization. Matrix data is often visualized on dashboards, charts, and graphs, allowing operators and administrators to monitor the system's behavior in real time and over a longer period. Also, we have alerting. So to proactively address issues, alerting mechanism can be set up to notify relevant personnel or trigger automated responses when predefined threshold or conditions are met or violated. There are some other stuff on how metrics work, but I guess in terms of system design interview, you don't need to know more than that. So in summary, metrics in distributed systems provide a quantitative insights into performance, resources, utilization, and system behavior. They are collected from various sources, aggregated, stored, and visualized to enable proactive monitoring, troubleshooting, performance optimization, and resource management. Effective metric collection and analysis are essential for maintaining a healthy and efficient distributed system. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like my content. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so never miss a video, and see you in future problem.